Hello there everyone, my name is Ashley. You might remember me from such places as Haunted and Abandoned Places with Paranormal Caught on Camera NZ, Recovery is Real NZ, and of course my YouTube channel, Project Channel. Today, I'm going to be talking with you about health and safety in the digital media and design industry. With that, I feel that we should talk a little bit about PCBUs. So, what is a PCBU? What does it stand for? Well, those are both very good questions, and to answer them, let's start with what a PCBU is and what it stands for. PCBU stands for Person Conducting Business Undertaking, which basically means exactly what it says. It's a person who's currently either conducting or undertaking the business in reference to. In saying that, it's also a broad concept used all throughout the Health and Safety Work Act to describe all types of modern day working arrangements that we currently refer to as businesses. So now you're probably wondering what a PCBU actually does. I mean, what's a PCBU's roles? What's a PCBU's responsibilities? Do PCBUs even have roles or responsibilities? Well, those are some very good questions. And to answer them, let's start by answering, does a PCBU have any roles or responsibilities? And the answer to that question is yes. PCBUs have both very important roles as well as responsibilities. These roles and responsibilities are more commonly referred to as the duty of care of a PCBU, and they are the provision and maintenance of a safe work environment, plant and structures, systems of work, the safe use of handling and storage of a plant, structures and substances are ensured, the provision of adequate facilities for the workers' welfare and ensuring access to the facilities is maintained, the provision of instruction, training, information, and supervision in order to protect all persons from risks to their health and safety arising from the work of the business, and the careful observation of workers' health and workplace conditions in order to prevent injury or illness of workers when carrying out work for the business. Now that you know a little bit about PBCUs, let's move on to health and safety risks in the digital media and design industry. Now, I'm going to give you 4 examples of what these risks may look like, but before I do, I would like you to ask yourself one question. Are there any trip hazards in my digital media and design industry? And if so, what are they? Trip hazards may include things like unsecured cords or leads, which I find to be the most common. This can be easily solved with something as simple as grabbing a roll of masking tape and securing all leads by taping them up or down to a nearby fixture within the area, such as a wall, the floor, the roof, or even a nearby cabinet. Example 2 is to be aware of your surroundings when using a boom mic. Now, you should always be aware of your surroundings regardless. However, with boom mics, it's pretty easy for your arms to get tied and accidentally bump someone on the head. In saying that, all it takes is a miscalculated quick turnaround to whack someone in the face and possibly cause some serious damage. Example 3 is to power down or turn off lights when not in use. This way you're preventing the potential risk of a fire starting. Example 4 is to check for electrical issues and don't overload circuit boards, as you risk the potential of a fire starting or someone being electrocuted. The best way to resolve this is to understand the power draw and supply required for whatever it is that you are doing. If you encounter a serious injury within the workplace, what should you do? Well, you should report it. Any serious incidents that occur within a workplace should be reported immediately. A worker has a right to stop work or refuse to carry out work if they believe that doing the work would expose them or anyone else to a serious health or safety risk from an immediate or imminent hazard. If a worker has stopped work, they must let the PBCU know as soon as possible.